Okay, so a lot of people, they are thinking on how to grow. Now, growth tends to take different shapes and forms and styles as well. You can grow by your crafts, you can grow by your equipment, you can grow by your years of experience, you can grow by the investment you have made in your fashion brand. So, one of the areas of growth is by investing back the money you get from your fashion business back to your office or back to your brand. Now, this helps your brand to have a lasting tendencies, because if you always find it difficult to reinvest, you are only after eating your profit, eating your savings, eating everything you have worked for. Your brand will keep on remaining stagnant. You will not see any change or any visible upgrade. Now, you might decide to take part of whatever you have gotten to reinvest, or you might still decide to take all to reinvest. It's solely your decision. But the truth here is that you must invest. So I have invested, or I do invest my money on machines, on my working space, on my working tools, on getting the basic necessary tools that we need for growth. Now, some of these tools can be scissors, can be ironing accessories, can be iron, can be your chalk, can be your tape, can be a hanger, can be mannequin, anything that is going to help you have a better brand. You have to do it, and make sure as well that when you are doing this, you're also having some saving for yourself and for your brand as well. So recently, I placed an order for stoneboard from Previc Fabric and Styles for my work, right? The stoneboard came and the stones came. So when I placed this order, I spent, I think, around 74,000 to buy the stone board, few of them, and some stones, like 2 pack of stones thereabout. So when I bought the first one, and I was able to use this stone board to do over 10 to 12 jobs, and those jobs I did, the cost I charged, or the price I charged, covered the money I spent on the stone board. Now, someone else went to Aba to do the same stoning on the fabric that I have bought. He spent 64,000 to do for 4 outfits. I think one was around 18,000 thereabout, 12K thereabout. So when he told us, why now? You should have bought the stone board by yourself and do it by yourself. It's better off, because you will not spend that money again. You only buy the stone and do your stoning in your place. So these are more are what you should know. So I also recently bought some sewing accessories from Telefix, which I will show you in the video as well. So these are the things I'm talking about. Try to invest your money in your brand and make sure you are growing. Don't eat everything. Don't wait for a miracle. Don't wait for a special bulk to come in. No, it will not come in bulk. It will come bit by bit. The money you invest cannot come in bulk. It will come in tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands before it gets to million, right? So if you don't invest those small ones, the big ones will not come, because the small ones you invested is going to attract the bigger income that will come subsequently. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now. All right, so now here I want to do unboxing of my order I got from Telefix. So here I bought tapes, Teflon cover, and suit scissors. So let's do the unboxing together. So the essence of this video is to encourage you guys to invest in your brand. Invest in your brand. Slightest items you can buy can go a long way to help you to grow in your work. So here is the Teflon cover for the surface of my iron. So this helps the iron to iron without shining, dropping shine effects on the fabric. So this will be used on the surface of my iron. I will show you guys as well in subsequent videos how to use this as well. It's called Teflon cover. Now here I have the second item, which is properly wrapped. So my scissors and my tapes. So I'm being careful to cut off the tape.
So here I have my tailor's scissors. Let me cut it off from here. So you have to invest in your brand. From time to time, I invest. I buy accessories, sewing equipment to help get better. It's not as if I have money, but I have to buy so that I can use them to work effectively. That's the best decision every tailor should be making whenever you have the opportunity to do so. So this is the unboxing. So this is my tailor's scissors. This is how it looks like. My suit scissors. This is how it looks like. It's actually heavy. Size 12, 3 plus, stainless, right? So this is sold for 15,000 naira. So this is the price. And then here I have my tapes. I bought a pack of it. These tapes, this is how it comes. So I bought a pack of it. Look at it. So why I bought this at once, because most times you don't tend to see them in the market. So the earlier the more, or anytime you get the opportunity to buy like 2 or 3, so that you have enough of it. So this is my tape. Look at it. I bought 10, so which I will still share to my workers and to my students. So this is how the tape. This is one of the most complete tapes in the market. It has both 1/4, 3/4, half, and then the values you might be looking. This is a German quality, German tape. All right, guys. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now. If you need them, send me a DM on the number on the screen. I will give you a link on where to order these things from. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now. So let's see how the Teflon cover works. So like I said, this is the Teflon cover, right? So you place it inwards here, just like this, on your iron. The iron is hot, so you drag this, and then this is the cover. So this saves the fabric from shining. So you can iron directly now on your fabric without fear of shining. You can iron directly on the fabric. So this serves as like fabric cloths you place on the iron if you don't have this. So this is very essential if you like ironing directly on your outfit. So this gives you, a perfect finishing. So this is a Teflon cover. You see, it's very good that all tailors must have this. It saves your cloth from shining. But when you are gumming, please remove this. When you are gumming with the iron, don't use this to gum. Remove it and then use the main iron to gum. When you want to iron for finishing, you can put this cover to safeguard the iron. As you can see, the iron surface is dirty, but this will never get stained by anything. All right, so this is the essence of this video I am making for you guys to learn and also see. It's very fine. I recommend this 100% for every tailor. Bye bye for now.